You like Indian cuisine?
Nemo. Nemo.
This is diving. This is diving. Oh, look.
你知道你几号的吗？我怎么看都一样嘞，感觉都差不多。
We got souvenir. You wanna get inside? You wanna get inside to look around? Yeah, look, they're painting. Look, the guy is an artist. He should be Van Gogh or Rembrandt. You see? He has good control of his finger. Sa akin, kakayat na yan. And this is their art. Niluluto nyo na ito? Diretso na? Hindi nyo na kinukok? Walang glaze? Oh. You cook yours, right? When you draw and when you cook, that one is directly sold. Yeah, see? The artist. He said, look, I'm having, maybe you work here.